Advanced Adjusters is a full-service accident reconstruction investigation firm based in Kingston, Jamaica, and proficient in all aspects of vehicular accidents using state-of-the-art equipment. We service defense attorneys, plaintiffs, and insurance companies, and many others. Here is a sample of an accident reconstruction based on a fictitious accident, which illustrates some of our techniques and tools using professional measurements of the accident site, drone technology to providing ortho-rectified photo maps, computer models of vehicles to their scaled specification, and made to run in real time and motion and collide into impact to perform an actual accident case and to answer common questions. Our accident reconstruction crash program provides documentation to explain much more complex details and goes into many more factors than are described here. We are experts at forensic animations and simulations, private and commercial vehicle accidents, pedestrian accidents, motorcycle accidents, heavy vehicle accidents, black box data. And we stand ready to serve you in all matters of accidents.